Welcome to DVD Fusion Technologies. Thank you for choosing DVD Fusion Demo. The Disc Repair Machine. Switch on. First, you apply your chemical. When applying it, make sure the buff turns the color of the chemical, which is purple. Once the buff has changed the color of the chemical, take your scratch disc. The machine can fix anything from CDs to DVDs, Blu-ray discs, even HD DVDs. You can scratch your CD using a coin, a key, a knife, and no matter how deep the scratches is, the machine will take it out. While the machine is running, gently move the disc, holding it with the two thumbs and with both your hands to the left and to the right. While doing that, turn the CD around. This action will melt the scratches of the CD back to normal again, making the CD brand new again. There will be no residue left or any marks. And what you can do while doing this is fix the scratches you want fixed. Once you have finished removing the scratches, finish the disc off. What you do is diagonally move the disc on the side of the buff around. This will remove any light scratches or marks. Once you have finished with this, you have a brand new CD with no scratches. And always, of course, if you have finished, your thumb marks, any marks, wipe it off with your t-shirt. That's what all of us do, and it works. Voila! Thank you for choosing DVD Fusion Technologies. Have a great everyone. Bye-bye.